Well, I'm not exactly a sneakerhead, but I love shoes, and when the Air Max 90 made a comeback, I knew I definitely wanted one. In fact, 2020 is the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90. They are coming out with a lot of colorways almost every second week, but the Volt colorway, signified by this green color, is what caught my fancy. I really wanted it. On the day of launch, I wasn't lucky enough to get on the delivery list, but later I did manage to find myself a pair on the Nike India website itself in my size, and I finally ended up ordering it. And finally, after a long wait of almost 2 months, it's arrived and it's right here. This is the box, very tiny box compared to what you usually get with Nike shoes. Apparently this is an ode to the 1990s. Now I remember having a pair of Air Maxes in 1992. Like I said, I was never a sneakerhead. It was given to me as a gift. Didn't even know what it meant. Didn't even know what the model was. I just knew it was Nike Air, and that's exactly what I've been following since then. I never knew what model lines were, and it was only recently that I took interest in shoes and started reading up on all of this. So the Air Max 90 is a very important model line for Nike, and I thought I should have one too because it really looked cool, and that is why this box. So let me quickly open it. This is actually the first time I'm opening this box. Torn paper, but yeah, I think the shoes are fine and they look beautiful. They certainly look beautiful. This is more on the yellowish side. In the photos it looks a little greenish. This is more on the neon yellow side, and check this out, quite cool. Now some people are always on the fence on whether to leave these kind of tags or not, especially because of the off-white range of shoes from Nike, the collabs. But yeah, I think I'll definitely take it out and hang it somewhere else. Maybe matching shoelaces as an option would have been nice. I don't think they have given any of that. Yeah, there are no laces. These are those inlay pads inside the shoes. But yeah, this is what the shoe looks like. The materials feel nice. This is the part I'm worried about. It's prone to getting dirty for sure. So this is the only part that I'm worried about, but otherwise all the materials feel nice, and it's a very lightweight shoe. So yeah, I think this looks quite nice. 2 shoes in the box, of course, this little tag and these pads. That's all that you get. So this is the second shoe. I hope this is not permanent. So yeah, that's about it. Very lightweight. Let me quickly try them on and see what they feel like and look like.